Shibinta ban Kershan ni kinong shong shnong ba ki officer ha kan nong ba Delhi ka ba kan nong ba jangkari hinne ga sining kong mentri rang ba ka jela o kon ki sangma ula bu yo mawnongrim ban te ya ka Meghalaya House Annexe ha ka chaka pedeng ka ba don ha New Delhi ha ni ga jingalang ka bala penlong han 9 Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road lawan ban Shibinta lang do simbol mentri rang ba ka jela uba Preston Tinsong Menteri Kesarkar Jela Upa Sastana Sodun, Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, dan Principal Secretary Sampat Kumar. Kani kajing tu bantai kanyai kintiu ya kajing don ke Meghalaya po Delhi dah kebadan saat South lagi kamera bertemai, bad kawai kejaga ban penlong ya kajing yalang kebanyara beru kaban pinbiang ya kejakasa na kebentaki nong song bad ki officer. Menteri rang ba ola bathai ki he officer ki badan ha kajing yalang ban pinti kena bakani kajing te ya ka Annexe kadai ban boot rinti ya ki kerdan ki bahalor ban don ya kajing sotenat ban kajing penyat ke babiang kajing temu kolang ban pinbiang ya kajakasa ke bapaka ya ki nong song ki bawan na Meghalaya ban pindep ya ki kam ki jam wan sumar ne puli kani kajing penjar ya kani kajing ui ban penurlong ya ki sinjam jaga sarkar ban bu ahmad ya ka bahagamiat ban pensuk ikpat ba ban penti kena bagin yo ya kajing kersan ke bapura wat laki cingai na layi.
What happened was few of them has to go and stay somewhere in the hotel, some of them has to stay in Rasan Bihar, and some of them sometimes has to stay here in Annexe Road. And doing that, I could see that a lot of dislocation takes place because they don't get time, they don't get a proper place to sit down and prepare a subject before they attend the meeting in different ministries. So therefore, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we discussed and ultimately we decided that we need reconstruction and also construction of a new building altogether here in Abdul Kalam Road. And the foundation that we are going to lay this morning is about the first phase of the construction. We have two phases. First phase is about 30 something rooms, right? See? About
24 something. This 24 rooms.
Or 24 rooms. In the first phase, we will be able to get 24 rooms. And maybe in the second phase, we will get more rooms. And I could see once this is completed, I'm very sure the service delivery mechanism will again be further improved as far as official issues are concerned.
You know, I do take this opportunity because all the Meghalaya House staff people are here, that at the end of the day, infrastructure is only infrastructure. What makes this a Meghalaya House and what makes this a public space is ultimately the kind of service that we give to the people out here. So I cannot but reiterate and mention to all of you that whenever anybody who comes from our state, it is very important for each and every one of you to ensure that they feel at home. And that the new building cannot do. That a new car cannot do. That is only the human touch that you guys can give. So I do appeal to all of you that I hope that you will be reminded about this every time you see a person coming from our state to stay out here. And you can put yourself in their place and just imagine that a smile for a person who has never been to Delhi, because you're always in Delhi so you feel it's normal. But suddenly somebody comes from the village and is lost, but suddenly sees his or her own person smiling and saying, "Welcome to Meghalaya House, Delhi. I hope your journey was good. I hope you're okay. Don't worry, we are here to take care of you." Will make a world of difference to their mind. Even if the rooms are bad, they will feel at home because of the kindness that you have shown. So I do appeal to all of you that at the end of the day, every day when you get up in the morning, remind yourself why you are here, what you are doing here.